So what we are going to discuss today, the two chapters. First one is basic principles and techniques in organic chemistry, as you know. और दूसरा वाला जो भी है, that is hydrocarbons. Okay? So I just start with the first one. Basic principles and techniques in organic chemistry. So let us start with the question. All right? I hope all are ready. Yes, hello. So we'll start now. The first question goes here. The first one. I'm just writing it on the board because I could not get the printed format. So next time we will manage it. Okay? Fine. Question number 1. Which of the following compound does not have only one type of hybrid carbon atoms? Only one type of hybrid carbon atoms. Hybrid carbon atoms. So this is the question, right? Hybrid carbon. Carbon atoms.
If you touch like this ना small part तो छोटे से like उसमें eraser भी है, you can use eraser. आप एक काम सर eraser दिखा दे. अब अगर आप इतना छोटा सा टच करोगे ना इतना ही काम करना, ठीक है? तो अगर तुम आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करके फिर स्टार्ट कीजिए, ठीक है? अगर छोटा सा पार्ट टैप करोगे तो ऐसे type of
Carbon atom. Oh my God! Only one type. Carbon atoms. Alright. Which of the following compounds does not have only one type? Only one type of hybrid carbon atoms. The option goes here. Option 1 or option A, CH triple bond, C dash C triple bond, CH. Option B, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, right? And option C, CH3, C triple bond C, CH3, and option D, alright, CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH2. So इसमें जो भी दिया है, इसमें क्या पूछा है कि actually which of the following compound does not have only one type of hybrid carbon atoms? Which does not have only one type. मतलब the hybridization जो भी है sp, sp2 and sp3 उसमें से the compound should have different hybridization. That is the meaning of the question. The compound out of this, one of the option is having carbons having different hybridization. Fine. So what would be the correct answer for this? What would be the correct option for this? Hello, Rafia Survey. Yes. Rupan Pradhan, option C. Ridham Sharma, C. That's right. The option here goes, the right option is C. The right option is C. Now, how can we explain this? It's very simple. Here, this is SP, this is also SP, isn't it? This is SP, this is also SP. All are same. Here, it's a saturated one, right? SP3, SP3, SP3 and SP3. And if you look at the C option, this is CS3, right? तो CS3 जो भी रहेगा तो उसका क्या होगा ऑटोमेटिकली SP3 होगा ना. अगर SP2 रहेगा या अब अगर CH2 रहेगा then it will be SP2. यहाँ पे देखो it is SP3 because it is CH3. The carbon is having 4 hydrogens attached. So automatically it should be SP3. But if you look at the second carbon, this carbon is having a triple bond, right? So it must be SP. And this is also SP. This is having SP3, right? This is symmetrical molecule. अब ये भी देखो, यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है देखो, SP2 as I just said. This will be SP2. This is SP2. This is SP2 because it is bonded to a double bond. And this will be SP2. So the one which is having different hybridization is SP3 and SP. That is the option number C. Option number C. ठीक है? Okay. Now we will move on to the next question. Question number 2. The incorrect IUPAC name. The incorrect IUPAC name. The incorrect IUPAC name of a compound. Is 3,3 diethyl butane. Okay, this is an incorrect nomenclature. The correct name would be what is the correct name? The correct name would be dash, right? इसका मतलब एक क्वेश्चन दिया है, उसमें एक स्ट्रक्चर भी है, मतलब एक कंपाउंड का नॉमेनक्लेचर भी है आईयूपीएसी नेम का, दैट इज इन द ऑप्शन, बट हियर दे आर गिवन एन इनकरेक्ट आईयूपीएसी नेम and that is 3,3-diethyl butane, right? Now you have to find out what is the correct nomenclature of this compound as per the IUPAC. So I am just writing the options here. Option number 1, 3,3 dimethylhexane. 3,3 dimethylhexane. Okay. Second one, 1,1 diethyl methyl pentane. Okay. Third one, 3-ethyl 3-methyl 3-methyl pentane. 3-methyl pentane. Okay. And the fourth one, 3-ethyl methyl pentane. Methyl pentane. So what will be the exact IUPAC name for a compound in which the incorrect name is given as 3,3 diethyl butane? So this is actually incorrect. That's what the question says, है ना? तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए कि ये जो ऑप्शन है आपको एग्जैक्ट करेक्ट IUPAC नेम पिकअप करना है ना? Isn't it? Option C. Acha, great. Yeah, option C. Yeah, this answer is right. Yeah, option C. That is option 3, right? So how will you reach to that conclusion? तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पहले ये आंसर फाइंड आउट कैसे करेंगे? सी, पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 3,3 डाइइथाइल ब्यूटेन का स्ट्रक्चर लिखेंगे, ठीक है? सो आई राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ 3,3 डाइइथाइल ब्यूटेन. मतलब ब्यूटेन जो भी है दैट आई विल राइट 1 2 3 4 ब्यूटेन. उसके बाद 3,3 डाइइथाइल. ओके, 1 2 3. So यहाँ पे I can just put diethyl ना, yeah, diethyl. See, this is the compound, isn't it? अभी देखो, मैं ये इसके हिसाब से मैं स्ट्रक्चर लिख लिया. But if you look at the structure, actually this nomenclature is not right because you have to find out the longest continuous chain. अभी देखो, the longest continuous chain would be 1 2 3 4 5, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5. That is a pentane substituted at 3 position with a methyl and an ethyl, isn't it? So it is a pentane. So just say a pentane. Pentane में कौन सा रहना चाहिए? Ethyl होना चाहिए, isn't it? At 3 position में ethyl और 3 position में methyl. So isn't it? This is the correct attachment of the substituent groups, and it is obviously a pentane. So this is nothing but the option, isn't it? This is the correct option. Done? Okay. Radhika Shinde, by drawing structure. Yes, you can draw this. This is a bond line. You can go for the condensed formula. That depends on you. Okay, fine. Now move on to the third question. Isn't it? Question number 3. The formula of 3-bromo 2-methyl. 3-bromo 2-methyl. 2-bromo 2-methyl butanol. Butanol is dash. the formula of 3-bromo-2-methyl butanolase. That means the structural formula. The structural formula is given. So I am just writing the options here. Option A, CH2, Br, CH2, CH3 in bracket, CH2, CH2, right? Yes. And option B, CH3, CH2, Br, CH, bracket CH3, CH2, OH, right? And option C, CH3, CHBr, CH, bracket CH3, CHO. And the fourth one, CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH, bracket CH3, CHO. ये bracket जो भी है, that shows the attachment.
If any issue or anything, just remember.
Yeah. So here, whenever there is a bracket, that means it is an attachment. It's a side chain. It's a branch. That we have to keep in mind. So the formula of 3-bromo-2-methyl butanol would be dash out of this. Any options come for this? Which one? The question number 3. Option C. Okay. Option C. Option D. Some are option C, some are option D. Let us see. We can just draw the structure, then also we can get the idea about it. You can straight away you can draw the structure for this given name. Barabar? Then you can look into this. Let us see. I'm just writing this, the structure for the given name. It is butanol, right? So butanol का मतलब क्या होता है? It is an aldehyde with a straight chain of 4 carbons, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. यहाँ पे CHO. ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, इसलिए मैं ऐसे कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है? इसका मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. बरोबर? Yes. 3-bromo. यहाँ पे CHO है कि नहीं? 3-bromo. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So bromine I can fix here. तो 3-bromo तो हो गया. अभी दूसरा भी है सब्स्टिट्यूएंट, कौन सा है? मिथाइल. वो किस में आएगा? इधर आएगा CH3. Isn't it? Yes. Now you can match with that. What will be the correct one? CH3, CHBr. See, CH3, CHBr. CH3, CHBr. Then CH, CH3, CH, CH3. Again, CHO. So option C is the right answer. Isn't it? Yeah. Now, we will move on to the next one. That is question number 4. Question number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Question number 4. Question number 4. The C-H bond distance. The C-H bond distance, that is bond length. Bond distance is nothing but bond distance. Distance. The CH bond distance is longest. In dash. Option A, C2H6, Option B, C2H2Br2. Option C, C2H4. And option D, C2H2. Okay. So here all are hydrocarbons. तो हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में आपको क्या देखना है कि ये कौन सा हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में, अदरवाइज इन सिंपल वे वेदर इट इज एन अल्केन, alkene or alkyne. That is the simplest way you can look for the bond distance. So the bond distance will be automatically less in triple bonded carbon, isn't it? Then let's see what is that particular one which is having highest bond length, the highest bond length. Okay, somewhat come with some answers. That is ethane, sp through hybridization, sp3 hybridization. Good going. Yeah, sp3 hybridization, isn't it? Because it is a C2H6. C2H6 मतलब क्या? CH3 dash CH3. It is a fully saturated hydrocarbon. Fully saturated hydrocarbon, there is no single bond, double bond, or there is no triple bond. But if you look at all other, here it is C2H2Br2, isn't it? C2H2Br2. But that is not what will be this one, C2H2Br2. C2H2 double bond, right? So this is also what is an alkene, isn't it? This is CH2 double bond CH2. This is also an alkene. This is an alkyne, right? CH double bond CH. So in that case, what will be the bond length between carbon and hydrogen? So that depends upon the hybridization. When the hybridization is increasing in this order. sp3 less than sp2 less than sp. So electronegativity of sp is higher. Therefore, that particular hydrogen, the bond length will be less. Therefore, the highest bond length will be for sp3 and option for ethane. I hope it's clear to you. And unable to understand what you are saying. So voice is cracking still. Still voice is cracking still. Just comment. Well, now it's okay. Yeah, fine. Okay, fine. Good. Now we move on to the question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 says what? The first organic compound was prepared by. Simplest question, right? The first organic compound was prepared by dash. By who? Option A, Lavoisier. Option B, Bohler. Option C, Kekule. Option D, Colby. What's the answer? Yes, what's the answer now? What is still cracking? I can see any technical issues there. Voice still cracks. 1 second. Can you see the board properly? Okay, okay. तो voice बीच में crack हो रहा है, क्या पता नहीं ऐसे क्यों सर? तो बीच में ऐसे कुछ समस्या हो रहा है, some issues. तो नहीं ना?
नहीं सर, कंटिन्यू कीजिए.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, fine. Yes, that answer is Wöhler. Frederick Wöhler, right? Wöhler. Right. So Wöhler prepared this particular compound from ammonium cyanate, right? NH4 plus OCl minus. Ammonium cyanate, and if heated this, it undergoes some rearrangement and then urea. NH2 COCH2. NH2, that is urea, right? This urea. So this is ammonium cyanate, right? That's what OCN. So it just undergoes some rearrangement and we get this particular compound. So the answer is what? Wöhler. So please fix this. Frederick Wöhler. What is that? So the voice still cracking. Maybe some network issue. That's what the person there, in the office person said, who says the things. Okay. समझ नहीं आ रहा है, क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा है? What's the problem? You just cited it properly. What is the issue actually? Is the voice is not clear? Yes, Rafia Survey. Tell me what's the problem? Rafia Survey, please. Voice is the problem. Okay. Voice is cracking. Alright, 1 second. So we will move on to the next question, right? Question number 6. I hope it is still on the board. Question number 6. The compound which gives the carbonium ion. Carbonium ion is nothing but carbocation, right? Carbonium ion is also known as carbocation. Carbonium ion on dehydration. On dehydration. Dehydration. On dehydration is dash. That means here all are given options in alcohols, right? That means the given alcohols are being undergoing dehydration, and dehydration happens in presence of a acidic catalyst, especially H2SO4. So the options given here is CS3, CS2, CS2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, CS2OH. This is one. Option B, CS3, CH, यहाँ पे OH, यहाँ पे CS2, CS3. Okay. Option C, CH3C, यहाँ पे CS3, यहाँ पे CS3, and यहाँ पे एक OH. Okay. And option D, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. Abhi, this has been there in the alcohol chapters, right? In your alcohol chapter, this is been there very much. So what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Sir, because of cracking of voice, we cannot understand. Rafia Survey, is it still the problem right here? The voice is cracking? Survey, you comment now. Is the voice is still cracking or not? Now it is okay. That means there is some issues in the connectivity, right? So network connection, there is some issue. Okay. Now, okay, so now it is clear. All right, you just have to bear with me in the sense, I cannot do much on this, but I think in the board is very clear. Okay, now, just say if at all it persists, the same problem, then I will ask them to, correct it. Okay. Now see this. This is a very important question. What is this? The compound which gives the most stable carbonium ion on dehydration is dash. Yes? I expect some answer from your side. I expect some answer from your side. I expect some answer from your side for this question. Question number 6. Yes? Option number C. Option number C. Oh, who is that? Ridham Sharma. Oh, good. So, which chapter is going on? So, this is the basic principles and techniques in organic chemistry. Your 11th standard chemistry, okay? Your 11th standard chemistry, the first chapter. The CBSE note textbook, you can see this, the basic techniques and principles in organic chemistry. Normally we call it as GOC, right? So here I just termed it in terms of the NCERT book, because yours is a CET exam. So that part, that is just enough, I guess. So here someone has given an answer C, right? Yeah, stable carbocation or carbonium ion. Which is the most stable carbocation or carbonium ion? The stability order of carbonium ion will be 3-degree carbocation, the most stable, followed by 2-degree carbocation, followed by 1 degree, and the last will be CH3 plus. Okay, please note this. This is the stability of the carbonium ion in the decreasing order, right? The most stable is 3 degree. Now just you have to see, when we do this reaction, ये जो reaction जब भी कर रहे हैं in sulfuric acid, which carbocation is formed in each. Now if you look at this, if it is being protonated, then we'll get a positive charge primary carbocation, right? That is less stable. If you take this, I'll protonate this positive. When it is being removed, I'll get a positive here, right? That's a secondary. Here if you look at, I'll protonate with hydrogen plus, because we are using sulfuric acid. That is why I am just writing is OH2 positive. With OH, H plus is added. Therefore, it is OH2 plus. So when it is being removed, I get a positive charge on the central carbon. So that's a tertiary. Here you'll get what primary again? Here you'll get a primary. So what is the answer? The answer will obviously will be C. The answer will be C. Right? Yeah, tertiary carbonamide is more stable. Exactly. Can we move on to the next question? Question number 7? Yes. Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. The enolic form of acetone. The enolic form of acetone. The enolic form of acetone. Acetone contains the enolic form of acetone contains dash. The options are given. Option A, 9 sigma bonds. 9 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond, and 2 lone pairs. And 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pair of electrons, right? Yes. Option number B, 8 sigma bonds. 8 sigma bonds, 2 pi bonds, 2 pi bonds, and 2 lone pairs. And 2 lone pairs, right? And option C, 10 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond, and 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair. Okay. Good. None is correct. A, B, C, D. None of the above. None of the above. None of the above. So here you are asked to find out the number of sigma and pi bonds as well as the lone pair of electrons in the enolic form of acetone. So as you know, it is a ketone, right? Option C. Option C. Just see whether it is option C or A. Oh, well, we'll just try it out. Okay. So here, how will you reach the particular answer? Enolic form of acetone, right? So first of all, you have to take the structure of acetone in the ketone form and its enol form, right? So I write here the structure. C H H H C double bond O C H H and H. So this is ketone, right? What is the enol form? The enol form will be right? The enol form will be here. That means this comes over here and this H goes over oxygen. C double bond C H here, and here I'll have O and H. And this is the enol form, right? And oxygen, as you know, it is having 2 pairs of electron, isn't it? It is having 2 pairs of electron. Now this is enol, this is ene because there is a double bond and there is a hydroxyl group attached. So it is an enol form. Now what will be the right answer? You can just count the sigma bonds and then the pi electron, the number of pi electron, yes, and then the number of lone pairs of electron, right? So yes, good going. Yeah, it is option A only. Yes, it is option A, right? 1 2 3 4 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is 9 sigma, and there is 1 pi and 2 lone pairs. So the option is A. Good going. Yeah. Now the question number 8. The question number 8. The question number 8. Sorry. The IUPAC name for the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name for sorry, CS3 CH double bond CH double bond CH CH2 CH, and here it is NH2, and here CH2 COOH. So it is a multi-functional compound. There are 3 functional groups are there, right? One is a double bond, the other is an amine, the third one is a carboxylic acid, right? Now you must know the preference table, right? The preference table, you should know what's the preference table. Then just before that, I'll write the options here, okay? I just write the options here. Option A, 5 amino to heptanoic acid. Heptanoic acid. Option B, beta amino gamma, no, delta heptanoic acid. Delta heptanoic acid. Then C, 5 amino hex 2 in carboxylic acid. Then the last one, 3 amino 5 heptanoic acid. 3 amino 5 heptanoic acid. Read out the question and try to solve it. Yes? Question number 8. What is the answer? Yes, guys, what's the answer? D. Okay, who is that? Tejas Cutler. Okay, Tejas Cutler says 8. Radha in the option A, question number 8. Option A. Just say, what's the preference? You should know the preferential table, right? That is a very must, right? You should have a thorough, I would say you should by heart that particular order of what? Preference table. COH will come first. NS2 will come second. And this part will come third, right? So where we should start the numbering? The numbering always starts from carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid, carbon itself is number 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means it is a heptanoic acid. There are 3 heptanoic acids, but then we have to go for the second point of difference. That is 3 amino, isn't it? This is 5 amino. This is beta, that is not included in IUPAC. This is what? 3 amino, right? So 3 aminos, that is fixed. Then 5 is for double bond. 5 heptene. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is correct. So this answer would be 3 amino, 5 heptanoic acid. The option number D. Yeah. Option is D only. Option A, maybe. No. Option is D only. Radhika Shinde. Now it's clear to you? Is it clear to you now? It is option D only, na? 3 amino. You have to start from the carboxylic acid first. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So amino group is what? When it comes as a substituent, it is amino. That is 3 amino. Then 5 heptene. The double bond is on carbon number 5, right? When we are numbering it from right to left, because COH is having highest priority. So this is 5. And that's 5 is done here. Then it is obviously heptenoic acid. You don't need to put 1 for acid because always it is coming as 1. Got it? Yeah. Great. Now, question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. The IUPAC name of the compound. The IUPAC name. IUPAC. IUPAC. IUPAC name of the compound. Of the compound. IUPAC name of the compound. Bond line representation is given in the question, right? तो आपको ये बॉन्ड लाइन रिप्रेजेंटेशन का बहुत नहीं मतलब in the sense you should know the condensation formula, complete formula and bond line all goes hand in hand. तो इसलिए आपको सबको एक अंदाजा आना बहुत ही जरूरी है ना? OH. So this is a structure if I'm not wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here double bond, yes. So here I'm writing the name of this 3-methyl pent 3N 2-ol. Okay. B 3,4 dimethyl 2-butane 4-all and C 2,3 dimethyl dash 3 pentanol and option D 1,2 dimethyl but 2N 1-ol. Right? यहाँ पे देखो अब there is a hydroxyl group OH and there is a double bond. So there are two functional groups only. So as you know, the preference should go to OH. So the preference should always for OH as per the priority table. Then comes the double bond part. So it is an enol. It is an enol. En and OH group. So what will be the answer for this? What will be the answer for this? Yes, please. What is the answer for this question number 9? Yes? So no response. Yeah, A. Okay. Rhythm Sharma says it is A. All right. And what about others? Tejas Kadlak, what is your opinion? Huh? What is your opinion, boss? Tell me. Yes? Option C. Okay. Any other? Any other options? Any other options here? Okay, let us see. Let me just try it out. Okay? Now see. Here OH is attached here, isn't it? Here OH is attached to this carbon. Fine? And it starts from here, right? CS3. So as you know, when it is the structure is like this, you have to find out the longest continuous chain. That is there for each and every nomenclature. The longest continuous chain you have to select, in which the priority table wise you have to number it. That means I have to start the numbering from this side, that is carbon number 1, and this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, and this will be 5. That means it will be a 5 carbon chain, isn't it? Having OH group at position 2 and double bond at position 3. So what will be the answer now? Okay, 1 second. There is one more methyl group. I just missed putting that. Okay, 3. There is a methyl group. I just missed that. Now I just added that. At position 3, there is a methyl. 3 methyl. 3 methyl. Is it correct? 3 methyl. As per the numbering, is it correct? 1, 2, 3. 3. There is a methyl group. Yes. There is a methyl group at 3 position, and it is pent, that is pent in, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a double bond at position 3. So it is 3 pentene or pentathrene, and you have to look for the last one. What is that? Alcohol, that is 2-all. Yes, it is at position number 2, isn't it? So the name ends with all because that is the priority, first priority group. So the answer would be option A. Good. Now Tejas Kadlak, is it clear to you now? Tejas Kadlak, is it clear to you now? Tejas, is it clear? Okay, now great. Yes. But you cannot start from here, right? Because that is not the way to number it. You cannot start from this particular junction because the longest continuous chain has to be taken. So it should start from 1, 2, 3 like this. Not you can start from here 1. Okay? Yes. Because if it is not there, you can start numbering like that. But since it is there as a methyl group, then you should start from that methyl group carbon. Okay? Fine. Now question number 10. Question number 10. The descending order of stability of carbonium ion. The descending order of stability of the carbonium ion is okay. So they have given few structures, so we just have to arrange it. Okay, so the given structures are like this: C6H5 CH2 positive, that is number 1, and number 2 they are given a para CH3O, that is methoxy, so it must be a benzene ring, right? C6H4 CH2 positive, that is number 2. Number 3 I have a para position substituted with an NO2 group, isn't it? With C6H4 CH2 positive, and the last one, this is number 3, and the last one would be para position, there is a CH3 group attached, right? And C6H4 CH2 positive. Okay, these are the examples. Now you have to just compare the options. You have to compare the options, right? So I just I'm giving now the options here. Okay, I'll just write it here. I hope it will be clear to you. Option A, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, B, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, and the last one, 4, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so these are the options. Descending order, matlab you have to keep the most stable at the initial stage, then it keeps on decreasing. So what will be the stability of the carbocation? What is the stability of carbocation for this 10th question? What is the stability of the carbocation for the question number 10? Here you have to draw the structures of, your phenyl ring and all, because C6H5 is there. If you want a better clarity, you can go for it. I'll explain that. Okay, you just give a thought to this. हाँ, तो देखेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? इसका आंसर कोई है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का थोड़ा you just have to, what is that? 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. What's the option number C, or what is that? 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. Ridham Sharma. 2, 4, 1, 3. So option number C, right? Okay, let us see. Now, carbocation stability depends upon resonance effect as well as hyperconjugation. And not only that, it depends upon the electron withdrawing groups as well as electron donating, or plus R or plus minus R groups. So here you have to just see, this is C6H5CH2, right? So that I am just writing here. C6H5. 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 C6H5CH2. CH2 positive. So this is the simplest benzyl carbocation, right? Yes, there is no substituent. It's the simplest one. Now paramethoxy. पैरामेथॉक्सी कैसे रहेगा? पैरामेथॉक्सी यहाँ पे OCH3 रहेगा, एंड यहाँ पे कौन सा? CH2 प्लस, अगेन बेंzyl carbocation, right? Yes. And paranitro, another is paranitro, right? Another is what? Paranitro. That is also what? benzyl carbocation. And the last one is what? CH3 substituted, right? CH3 substituted. CH3 substituted. यहाँ पे CH2 positive, right? Now, here electron donating, or I would say plus R groups, when attached at ortho position or para position, will stabilize a benzyl carbocation. Therefore, I can say OCH3 can have a better effect because of the lone pair, so this gets more stabilized. And obviously आपको ये बोल सकते हैं कि अगर इसमें ये जो पोजीशन पे NO2 ग्रुप है, that is having exactly minus R effect. This is having a plus R effect. Which one? OCH3. This is having a minus R effect. So it will be exactly opposite. So you can get two extremes here, isn't it? Now CH3 is having a hyperconjugate effect, but it is not that much effective as a conjugative effect, because this is a lone pair pi bond conjugation, but this is having a hyperconjugation. So this will be having a less hyperconjugative effect, and this is the simplest one. There is no electron withdrawing, no electron donating group. So I can say that the first one will come as what? Option number second one. The second, what is second? Yes, this is the one. The second will come first. The second will come first, and which will come the last? The last will be third. Yeah, this is the one. Third one. This is first, right? And the fourth one. The fourth one will be what? Yes, the fourth one will be CH3, CH3, and this one. Which one? The third. Third is at what? That is what's that one? The one is what? Yes, C6, H5, CH2. So this will be answer, isn't it? This will be the answer. Is it correct? Is it clear to you? Is this clear to you? Is it clear to you? Option C? Yeah. Yes, yes, right. The only thing you have to keep in mind that electron withdrawing groups at position ortho or para will destabilizes the benzyl carbocation. If these groups are electron donating, I would say plus R groups at these positions, then that will increase the stability. Okay, these are the two things which you have to keep in mind. So you have the answer option C. Option C. Okay? Yes. So we'll move on to the question number 11. Question number 11. Okay. The IUPAC name of the IUPAC name of the IUPAC name of this particular tri-substituted benzene. Here Cl is there, here NO2 is there, and at this position there is CH3. Okay. So the options I am just writing. Option A, 1 chloro, 2 nitro, 4 methyl benzene. 4 methyl benzene. That's a one. The second one, 1 chloro, 1 chloro, 4 methyl 2 nitrobenzene. 2 nitrobenzene. ठीक है? And option C, 2 chloro, 2 2 chloro, 1 nitro, 5 methyl benzene, 5 methyl, 5 methyl benzene, 5 methyl benzene, and the last one, meta nitro, parachlorotoluene, parachlorotoluene, p-chlorotoluene, 2 chloro, 1 nitro, 5 methyl benzene. Yes, try it out. Question number 11, huh? We are discussing question number 11. Yes, for question number 11, what is the answer? Yes, dear students, what is the answer? I just give some hint. In substituted benzenes, you should follow the lowest sum rule. The lowest sum rule you have to follow. Okay? Now just try out the lowest sum rule. Whether it may be clockwise or it may be anti-clockwise. So in that case, you just have to go for lowest sum rule. Are you doing it or not? Hello? Rafi or Survey, are you doing it or not? Yes, Kadlek? Option C, question number 11 maybe. Option C. Okay, you have to just follow the lowest sum rule. The lowest log and sum rule. That means, now we just try it out from my side. Okay, see here. If I put 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5, 6, I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 1, immediately 2, 3 is vacant, 4. Suppose I am doing it from 1, 2, 3, from nitro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the total sum would be higher. Now suppose I am starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. It is again higher. That means if I take it from this side, 1, 2 and 4, that will be 7, isn't it? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 7. That will be the lowest sum rule. That is the lowest sum, it obeys the lowest sum, right? Isn't it? 1, 2, 4, 7. That means you have to start from chlorine number 1. You cannot start even this way also. Then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then 3, 4 will be there. Then that is also having a higher value than 7. Isn't it? That will come as 8. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 7 plus 1, 8. Is higher than this. So this is the lowest one. That means the numbering should be like this, clockwise. Isn't it? Now you can go for the option. What is the option? 1 chloro, 2 nitro, 4 methyl benzene. Second one, 1 chloro, 4 methyl, 2 nitro benzene. 1 chloro, 2 nitro, 4 methyl benzene. 1 chloro, 4 methyl, 2 nitro benzene. Here there is a little bit twist, you can see that. 1 chloro, positions are fine for those substituents. 1 chloro, here is 1 chloro. 2 nitro, here also 2 nitro. 4 methyl, here 4 methyl. Benzene. Then what is the correct IUPAC name? The correct IUPAC name, you should have the alphabetical order. You should have the alphabetical order. 1 chloro will come first. Chloro will come first, no doubt. Then Mn. After M only N will come, right? That is alphabetical order. This is a bit confusing, isn't it? After methyl only nitro should come as per the nomenclature pattern. It is little bit, confusing. Is it clear? So it is option B, na? Chloro, M, methyl, then N. Isn't it? So the correct option will be B. Bhavesh Savant. It is based on the alphabetical order. Yeah, correct. It is just alphabetical order pattern. Yeah, just twisted this particular, the two groups, they are just interchanged in the option. Okay, done. Fine. Now, question number 12. Question number 12. अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 क्या बता रहा है and how we can sort it out? Just see. Okay, the question is like this. The electronegativity of carbon atom. The electronegativity of carbon atom depends on its hybridization. This is a statement and you must be knowing it. Electronegativity is maximum for sp, then for sp2 and least for sp3. So based on this, which of the following compound the carbon marked with the asterisk is most electronegative? Then which carbon in the option marked with asterisk is most electronegative. It seems to be a simple question. You can expect these questions in CET very much. The electronegativity of carbon atom depends on its hybridization. Then which carbon in the option marked with asterisk is most electronegative? Option A, CH3, CH2, and here it is the asterisk, okay? And here it is CH3, and B it is it is CH3. Oh my God, what happened? And B it is CH3, CH, the asterisk comes here, double bond CH dash CH3, and C would be CH3, CH2, C. Here there is a triple bond, right? And here the triple bonded end carbon is having an asterisk, right? And option D, CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH2, and this CH2 carbon, there is an asterisk, right? So here you just have to see which carbon is having the highest electronegativity. That's the simplest way of the meaning, or this is what is the crux of that particular question, which is having highest electronegativity for question number 12. The electronegativity, I already told you, it is in the order, electronegativity of carbon is in the order Sp greater, Sp2 greater, Sp3. This is the electronegativity order, right? So Sp must be triple, this must be double, these are all single, right? Yes, what is the answer? Option B for question number 12. For question number 12, what is the answer? For question number 12, what is the answer? For question number 12, what is the answer? Atib said C. Wow, Atib has come. Good, good. How are you? Atib said C, yeah? Great. Bhavana Savan said D. See, I have just given some hint here, right? देखो, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड मतलब sp, डबल बॉन्ड मतलब sp2, सिंगल बॉन्ड मतलब क्या है sp3. So the order of electronegativity of carbon is sp is having highest electronegativity, then comes sp2, then comes sp3. Then what would be the, you look at the structure, if you look at the structure, this is all saturated, na? There is no single double bond or triple bond. Here I can have a double bond, that is sp, this is sp2, here this is sp3, here it is sp, and here it is sp2, isn't it? Then Tejas Kadle and Radha Shinde. Oh, good. So option C. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Great. Option C. Done? All right. Move on to the 30th question. Move on to the question number 13. Okay. Let us see what the question says and how we can solve it out. Question number 13. Fine. The reaction which is represented like this, E plus gives what? There is a E. What is the meaning of this reaction as such? There is a double bonded alkene is reacting with an electrophile. I have done this. We have discussed this in detail, the electrophilic substitution reaction and even electrophilic addition reaction, right? So E plus, then it gives an addition product. It gives an addition product, isn't it? It gives an addition product because this is a double bonded alkene. It's not benzene. If benzene is there, I would say electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution. So what type of reaction it will be there? Now I said, I have even just given out the answer as well. I just put the options here. Nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution. Whether this is nucleophilic substitution? Obviously not, because this is not a nucleophile. This is what? This is an electrophile. This is an electrophile. So option B, electrophilic addition. Electrophilic addition. Option C, electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution. And option D, elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. It is not an elimination reaction. बिकॉज फॉर एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन आपके पास उधर कौन सा आना चाहिए, एक हैलोजन आना चाहिए, नहीं तो एक OH ग्रुप आना चाहिए। ऐसा तो कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें, तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा इसमें, इसमें आंसर क्या होगा, ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। यस क्यूक, so it's a double bond, huh? It's an alkene, so you have to see the reactions of alkene. Reactions of alkene, suppose I am taking this butene, I can react with HBr, right? H plus and Br minus, and this is the electrophilic part, isn't it? So electrophilic part, when it comes, I can get this electrophile because it's symmetrical, ना, तो मैं इधर भी ऐड कर सकता, नहीं तो इधर भी ऐड कर सकते, क्यों, उसकी सिमेट्रिकल है, तो मेरे को ये जो है इधर ऐड कर सकता है। If you want to follow the Marconic also, that's fine. The negative part goes to carbon having less number. और इधर क्या है, दोनों सेम है ना, तो electrophile goes and attach, that is the mechanism. The mechanism आप देखेंगे, it is electrophilic addition, मतलब ये जो डबल बॉन्ड जो है ना, it goes here, then you will get a carbocation like this. If suppose the addition is here, the new H comes here, so automatically this becomes positive because the shifting of pi electron goes here and the addition is at this particular carbon. So this becomes automatically positive and Br comes and attach here. So we'll get a bromo compound. So this is an electrophilic addition reaction because the electrophilic part of the reagent is added first. Therefore, it is electrophilic addition. Electrophilic addition. Electrophilic substitution नहीं होगा क्योंकि this is not an aromatic ring. If it is an aromatic ring, then the reaction would obviously be electrophilic. You suppose this is the reaction, okay? You suppose this is the reaction, then this reaction will be electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution, right? Here H is being substituted. मगर यहाँ पे कौन सा है? There is no substitution. It is just an addition. There is no atom or group is removed from the substrate. This one. यहाँ से कौन सा भी atom और group substrate मतलब जाता नहीं है, मगर यहाँ पे इधर का हाइड्रोजन निकल जाते हैं, मतलब इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन हो जाता है ना, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. सो व्हाट इज दिस particular reaction is which type? It is electrophilic addition. Electrophilic addition. Is it clear? Tejas Kadlak, is it clear? It is not electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution happens with an aromatic ring, especially benzene. Alkenes undergo electrophilic addition reaction, where we have just seen Marconic addition and all. Done. Okay, great. I think it is clear now. Aromatic compounds, especially benzene, undergoes electrophilic substitution, whereas the compounds which are alkene or alkynes, they undergo electrophilic addition reactions. Electrophilic addition reactions. Then let us move on to the question number 14. Question number 14. Question number 14. Okay, question number 14. The reaction CH3 CH3 Br CH3 2 times CBr CH3 here it is given as H2O, right? H2O. and what they are getting is this product. That is what they say. Okay, that is what the reaction say. A tertiary butyl bromide reacts with a weak nucleophile. This acts as a nucleophile as well as a solvent, because H2SN can act as a nucleophile because it is having lone pair of electron. Actually there are two lone pair of electron, मगर एक ही reaction में part कर सकता है. So this particular reaction is given as what? It is giving a product, that is Br is being substituted, right? So यहाँ पे क्या पूछ रहे हैं लोग? This reaction falls under which category? A. Elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. And B. Substitution reaction. And C. Free radical reaction. Okay, they are not given substitution, they just a free radical reaction. And option D, addition reaction. Okay, so this is very familiar reactions at +2 or your 12th in the haloalkanes and haloanes. This reaction is very much described, right? Now I need an answer from all of you. Fast, the answer should come fast for question number 14. I am waiting answer from you. Yes, students, fast, give me the answer. It should not take not more than 30 seconds. Tejas Kadlak, fast, the answer for 14. What is the option? Option D, addition reaction. Option B, acha. Okay. Atif, where is Atif? Missing? All clear. Tejas, Manish Yadav, B. Great. FC White. What is FC White? Yes, fast. Fast, guys. Fast. It is a substitution reaction, isn't it? It is nothing but a substitution reaction. Now see, substitution reaction. Which type of substitution is this actually? This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is very well documented in your NCERT book, isn't it? That is, this is a tertiary butyl bromide, and this particular reaction is SN1 substitution. SN1 substitution. And also you know the reactivity order of SN1 and SN2. That is, SN1, the reactivity will be 3 degree RBR or RX, would we say 3 degree RX, then 2 degree RX, then 1 degree RX, then methyl X. Isn't it? What is this? This is the order of reactivity in the decreasing, right? So decreasing order of reactivity for SN1. So in SN1, the reactivity order is this, and for SN2 it will be the exact reverse. Just make a note of it. How do you know that this is SN1? You just see the solvent. It's a polar protic solvent, and this particular bromide is highly substituted. That is, it is highly substituted in the sense it is 3 degree RX. So obviously you can say it undergoes SN1 reaction fast. And the question is not asked like that whether it is SN1 or SN2. Question पूछा गया कि ये कौन सा इसमें आ जाता है. It is nothing but a substitution reaction, because here Br is substituted with nucleophilic substitution. Br is substituted with OH group, but here OH minus is not taking part. In SN1 reaction, strong base is not needed. Even H2O can act as a base. Okay? H2O can act as a base because oxygen is having a lone pair. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, done. So let us move on to question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15. Fine. Another question regarding the stability of carbon free radical. Okay. The order of stability of the free radical, increasing order. The increasing order of stability of carbon free radical, isn't it? Carbon free radical is dash. Your options are given: C6H5 3 times, C dot, then C6H5 2 times, CH dot, then CH3 3 times C dot, then CH3 2 times CH dot. Fine. Option B, C6H5 2 times CH dot, C6H5 3 times C dot, CH3 3 times C dot, CH3 2 times CH dot, and option C, CH3 2 times CH dot, CH3 3 times C dot, C6H5 3 times C dot, then C6H5 twice, C6H5 2 times CH dot, and the last one D is CH3 2 times CH dot, CH3 3 times C dot, and C6H5 2 times CH dot, and the last one C6H5 3 times C dot. H5 C dot. Okay, C dot. Yes. Here what you just need to remember that the order of stability of carbocation is similar to or exactly similar to that of the carbon free radical. So carbon free radical का stability और कार्बोकैटायन का स्टेबिलिटी का ऑर्डर सेम रहता है, मगर कार्बोनायन का स्टेबिलिटी एकदम ऑपोजिट रहता है, दैट यू नो, राइट? सो यू जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई दैट हियर. और दूसरा पॉइंट क्या है कि स्टेबिलिटी फैक्टर्स क्या क्या होता है. स्टेबिलिटी फैक्टर्स क्या क्या होता है? देयर आर हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन हो सकता है, देन यू कैन हैव रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट. रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट आप और आपको ये भी पता होगा कि रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट इज हायर देन दैट ऑफ हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन, राइट? तो ये दोनों पॉइंट आप अप्लाई करेंगे, then you will be able to find out the answer, right? So I'm just writing the order. The order will be 3 degree C dot is having highest stability, 2 degree C dot comes second, 1 degree C dot, then last will be methyl, isn't it? Methyl C dot. So this is the stability order for carbon free radical, and it is exactly the stability order for carbocation or carbonium ion, right? It is exactly equal to C plus, same stability order. So you just have to pick up an option where a tertiary carbocation carbon free radical is present. Not only that, you should see which group that particular C dot is attached. बराबर ना? So what is the increasing order? मतलब सबसे कम से आपको सबसे ज्यादा जाना चाहिए, है ना? Yes, Tejas Kadla given one answer as D. Here inductive effect can be used. Here inductive effect can be used. Inductive effect can be used where inductive effect, see, inductive effect से ज्यादा इफेक्ट कौन सा रहता है? अभी CSC ग्रुप जो है इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट तो होता ही है, बट बेटर देन दैट इट कैन गिव विच टाइप ऑफ इफेक्ट? हाइपर कॉन्जुगेट इफेक्ट, बिकॉज इट इज अ पार्शियल रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट बेसिकली. बराबर है कि नहीं? नॉन नो बॉन्ड रेजोनेंस, दैट इज हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन, राइट? हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन नो बॉन्ड रेजोनेंस बिकॉज देयर इज अ रेजोनेंस पार्ट. तो हम लोग को ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि देयर इज अ बेंजीन और फिनाइल, it should be phenyl, right? So I'm just writing the structures here. How many phenyls are there? 3. So I have 3 phenyl groups. ये देखो यहाँ पे कितना 3 phenyl groups है ना? So each can stabilize this particular C dot, shifting off this particular one, only one electron. One electron shift from here, one electron from here. That means this part get a what? This becomes a double bond and this becomes a C dot. I mean it is getting into resonance. मतलब 1, 2, 3 पे चले जाएगा. So the number of resonance structures will be maximum when this C dot is attached with 3 phenyl ring. Isn't it? 3 phenyl ring. That means when we take the increasing order, this is having the maximum. C6H5 3 times C dot. Barabar? Next will come, you reduce 1. When we reduce 1, what you will have? There is one more. 1. This becomes CH dot. I mean, there are 2 phenyl groups only. पहले 3 था, अभी 2 हो गया. मतलब इसका जो रेजोनेंस स्टेबलाइजेशन कैपेसिटी ऑफ C dot कम हो गया. मतलब कंपेयर टू 3 phenyl rings से. That means this is the one. Is it clear? Yes. Then comes the aliphatic part. Because aliphatic part can exert what? Yes, I do agree with you. There is a plus effect. Plus effect से ज़्यादा hyper conjugation ज़्यादा होता है. So here, if you have plus effect and hyper conjugation, वो भी apply कर सकता है. But hyper conjugation is having higher magnitude. So it is having CS3 3 times. मतलब CS3 C CS3 CS3, right? Tertiary group, right? Yes. Now this is what? This is secondary, right? CS3 CH dot CS3. बराबर है क्या? ये देखो. So this is 3 degree, but this is 2 degree. So this will be the answer. The answer D. Hyperconjugate effect. Answer D. Is it clear to you all? Yes. Clear? Is it clear? ठीक है भाई, इंडक्टिव भी आप कर सकते हैं और उससे ज्यादा हाइपर कॉन्जुगेट इसमें ज्यादा आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए. ठीक है, इंडक्टिव तो हाई है, नो डाउट ऑन दैट. द हाइपर कॉन्जुगेटिव पार्ट गिव्स है stabilization more. I just explained that here. You just take this molecule. Correct? Though electrons enter this carbon and H here. So one comes here, the other comes here. So there is a bond between carbon. So this structure I can write this way. I can write this way CH3 dash C double bond C H H and here CH3. Now H is hanging, right? So this is hydroconjugation, right? That means if this particular carbon that's now stabilized by double bond, isn't it? You can see it's a completely octet complete system only. It's an octet complete system. Therefore, this particular effect is much higher than that of cross effect because it is having a complete double bond formation and it is a hanging H dot. Hanging H dot. Hanging H dot. So your voice is cracking. Okay. Hanging H dot. So this is hyperconjugation. You can just refer the books and you can get a lot of information on that. Hyperconjugate effect. Alright. So the answer for this question is D. Now question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16. Okay. Question number 16. Question number 16. Okay. Question number 16 goes like this. The IUPAC name of neopentane. Simplest one. The IUPAC name of neopentane. Neopentane is dash. The IUPAC name of neopentane is dash. Is dash. Here the options are given. 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl butane, and option B 2,2 dimethyl propane. Dimethyl propane. Okay. And option D would be 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. And the last one is 2,2 dimethyl 2,2 dimethyl butane. 2,2 dimethyl butane. So if you know this particular neopentane like isobutyl, set-butyl, etc., very important. And this is a very common name, neopentane. So the neopentane, what is the correct structure? Or what is the correct IUPAC name? What is the correct IUPAC name? Yes? Voice is cracking still? Yes, fast. That is just because of that internet connection. So it happens sometimes, right? Radhika Shinde, what is that? No, not. What is that? Radhika Shinde, is it correct now? Is the voice his voice is audible? Okay. So Radhika Shinde said this is D option. Okay, Radhika Shinde said D option. Let us see. Neopentane is what? It's a pentane, right? So it contains total 5 carbons and it is totally a saturated alkane. So I will write neopentane like this. I will write neopentane like this because pentane, na? So neopentane, it is a common name. So this is actually neopentane, right? So how will you name it? Select the longest continuous chain. Suppose I am taking this. It will be 1, 2, 3. So what is the name? 2,2 dimethyl. 2,2 dimethyl propane. Not actually D option, right? Radhika Shinde, it is not actually Not butane, huh? Yeah, it is not D option, Radhika. It is option number 2, 2 dimethyl propane, isn't it? Yeah. It is, yes, correct, right. It is B, isn't it? Clear. Yes. Good going. Right? Yeah. Fine. Now, question number 17. Question number 17. So these type of questions you can get it from CET, yeah? Quite many times these questions have been asked. So आपको जो थोड़ा भी अपना जो प्रीवियस किया है थोड़ा गहराई पे, तो वो भी अभी आप मतलब प्रैक्टिस किया तो you can get much better results. Okay? So we are trying to get more of suitable questions, and you people are doing quite well. Okay, now we will go for the question number 17, right? Question number 17. Okay, question number 17 is like this. It's something interesting. Question number 17. Consider thiol anion. Consider thiol. Thiol मतलब सल्फर, thiol anion मतलब OH माइनस का सल्फर एनालॉग है, that is RS minus, and alkoxy anion. Alkoxy anion. Alkoxy मतलब क्या? RO, right? RO minus. RO माइनस का एनालॉग है RS, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन का जस्ट नीचे आएगा पीरियोडिक टेबल में S. So they show some similar reactivity or properties. Question ऐसा है कि which of the following statement is correct? Which is correct statement? Which is correct statement? Correct statement. The statement is this: RS minus is less basic, but more nucleophilic than RO minus. Option B, RS minus is more basic and more nucleophilic than RO minus. C, RS minus is more basic but less nucleophilic than RO minus. And option D, RS minus is less basic and less nucleophilic than RO minus. इसमें क्या है देखो, बेसिसिटी and न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी. एक्चुअली ना बेसिसिटी and न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी go hand in hand in general. If something is a more basic, it is likely to be a good nucleophile, but it may not be in all the cases when we compare the different anions. For example, here it is RS minus, here it is RO minus. So here, which will be more nucleophilic? मतलब more nucleophilic का मतलब क्या है कि if there is a nucleophilic center, if RS minus come, it can attack here. Similarly, the same R plus, if I have RO minus, it can attack here, right? So this shows the nucleophilicity part. Nucleophilicity का मतलब क्या होता है? Attachment of the reagent on C plus. That is the nucleophilicity of that particular reagent. Basicity का मतलब क्या होता है कि which can accept H plus from a system. That is proton abstraction capacity by a species is known as basicity. For example, if you have this particular CS3CH Br और यहाँ पे CS3 dehydrohalogenation. अब यहाँ पे कौन सा है? C I can have a CH here, CS2NH here. So ये base मतलब क्या होता है कि RO minus is a base, so it can take up this H. Similarly, on the same one, I have RS minus, it can take up this H. So that is the basicity. When it abstracts, H plus is the basicity. When it attacks on C plus, we call it as a nucleophile. We call it as a nucleophile. So, which is acting as a strong nucleophile and which is acting as a strong base? Normally, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी जो ज़्यादा रहता है, the electron density ज़्यादा रहता है on that particular atom. Here oxygen and sulfur, because R common है, so R का कुछ इतना कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं है. In the sense, when we describe S minus and O minus, here S minus में चार्ज डेंसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है. S में चार्ज डेंसिटी ज़्यादा है, and it can easily take up a proton. But at the same time, compared to Rs minus, it cannot give its lone pair of electron for bonding with S plus. C plus, bond with C plus. इसका मतलब ऐसा है कि Rs minus is a better nucleophile than Ro minus. That depends on the electronegativity. If the electronegativity of the atom is less, having a negative charge, then that can act as a good nucleophile, but it will be a less base. It acts as less base, or Rs minus will be attacking C plus. Here I just written Rs minus can attack C plus faster than Ro minus, because here it is acting as a nucleophile. Because the charge density here it is dispersed, so it can easily given to C plus. But when you talk about the basicity, the Ro minus can take up H plus fast, because oxygen is there, it is more electronegative, so it can easily take up H plus. That's the base. So out of this, which is the correct answer? Out of this, which is the correct answer? Okay. Out of this, which is the correct answer? R minus is more basic and more nucleophilic than Rs is more less basic or more basic. Just see. Rs is Rs. Yes, Tejas Kadlek. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम जो रहता है, इसमें इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम कौन सा? S is more less electronegative than O. So this particular electron can be given to whom? Se plus. और यहाँ पे पकड़ के रखेगा कौन? ऑक्सीजन, because it is highly electronegative, तो इतना इसी से देगा नहीं. But it can take up H plus fast. Because of its highly concentrated electron density. But जब ये देना क्या होता है, it is bit slower compared to this S minus, right? तो इसका मतलब ऐसा है कि if I am saying this is the right answer, then it has to be the right answer. Rs is less basic, but it is more nucleophilic than Ro minus. It is nucleophilic than Ro minus. Okay? OH bond is more stronger than SH bond, so RO is stronger base than. Yeah, that's also great, huh? Manish Yadav. That's a good thing. Yes, OH bond is more stronger than SH bond. That's a good idea. Great, great, Manish Yadav. Good, good. So the answer for this is A. The answer for this is A. The answer for this question is A. Okay. Question number 18, I guess. Question number 18. The order of stability of the following carbocation. Order of stability of the carbocation. So here the carbocations are given. CS2 positive, that is 1, and here CH3, CH2 positive, this is number 2, and I have a benzyl carbocation. So whenever there is a benzyl, there is a high resonance. Okay, that part you should keep in mind. Others are not aromatic in nature, right? So here the options are option A. Option A is 1, 2, 3, second and 1. B, second, 1, 1, 1, 1. C, 1, second and third. And D here, third comes first, 1 comes then, 1, 2. Carbocations. Yes, fast, quick. What will be the order of stability? Yes, fast. Radhika Shinde. Yes, fast. Tejas Katlak. Yes, yes. What is the correct order of stability of these carbocations? Wherever you can have a possibility of double bond shift, that is resonance, then you should give importance to that. Then here, this is more like a hyperconjugative effect, which will be lesser than a resonance shift. Resonance shift is more profound, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट है compared to what hyperconjugate effect. यहाँ पे hyperconjugate effect होगा या प्लस इफेक्ट होगा, यहाँ पे आपको एक resonance effect आ जाएगा, है कि नहीं? If it comes here, this becomes positive, right? यहाँ पे देखो, this is a benzene ring, so it can get into what? It can get into resonance stabilization. So what will be the correct answer for this? What will be the correct answer for this? Quick, fast. Yes, fast. Tejas Kadlak, what is that? B, second. Second is greater. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बोला है. The order of stability of the C plus बोला है ना? Order of stability. ये तो increasing होगा ना then? Second option में तो second increase रहेगा. तो ये third one कौन सा रहेगा? उसका कम रहेगा ना? तो तेजस Kadlak, you just think once more. Order of stability. अगर ये देखेगा मतलब इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि सेकंड इज मोर स्टेबल देन थर्ड. एक्चुअली ऐसा है क्या? थर्ड इज मोर स्टेबल देन सेकंड ना? देन व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन? Tejas Kadlak, you think once more. Tejas Kadlak. Think once more. They just cut like A. 3 comes first. Okay. Then 2, then 1. No. No. There is some other. I just told you, no? See, there is a shifting happens in first. So this is more stable compared to this. So this will come last only. This will come last only. This will come first. And this will come in the middle. Right? So what is the order? Yes, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli said D. Radhika Shinde said D. Yes, it is D. है कि नहीं? यहाँ पे conjugative effect है, complete resonance stabilization है, तो ये तो पहले तो आई गई, no doubt. अभी देखो, second में क्या है? This positive can be stabilized by shifting of that particular pi electron. That is known as a resonance effect. And यहाँ पे देखो, there is no such a resonance effect. It can just have a hyperconjugate effect because of these two hydrogens. But hyperconjugate effect जो भी है वो इससे कम रहता है. So the stabilization of C plus is less here or least here, then maximum here, and here the medium. Okay. So the option is D. Right? Okay. Done. Question number 19. Right? Question number 19. Question number 19. What question number 19 say? The IUPAC name of the following compound. The IUPAC name of the following. The previous year question tha actually. The IUPAC name of the following. IUPAC name. The IUPAC name of the following. The IUPAC name of the following. It is, structure is given CH3, C, CH3 2 times, CH double bond C, CH3 2 times. Following is, okay, following the IUPAC name of the following compound, that is this CH3 dash C, CH3 twice CH double bond C, CH3 twice is option A 1 3 tetramethyl but1-ene. This is one. In option 2, 1, 3, trimethyl pent-2-ene. And C 2, 4 trimethyl butyforine, and the last one, that is D 2, 4 trimethyl pent-2-ene. देखो इसमें थोड़ा कंडेंस फॉर्म में दिया है, तो आप क्या करना चाहिए कि आपको यू कैन जस्ट स्प्लिट इट आउट. मतलब ये जो CH3 twice है, it is attached to C. Similarly, this is at the end. That means there are CH3 and CH3. So it won't be very difficult question. It is the simplest one, right? So quick answer for this fast. Quick answer for this fast. Question number 19. I have just made it bit clear but just by writing it. You can also do the same way, right? If you are a bit confused with this now, you can just split that into that form and that will be now very easy for you. Now you just have to locate the double bond. उसके बाद you can name it. So what is the principal chain here? The principal chain, they just collect D option is said, okay? D option, okay, just see. Now just say what is a primary chain or principal chain? The double bond containing longest carbon, right? So I should start from here, 1, 2, 3, because 2. दो पे क्या होता है कि डबल बॉन्ड आता है, यहां से क्या तो 1, 2, 3 पे आता है. इसका मतलब है कि I can start it from 1, 2, 3, right? So this is 2. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, right? Yes. Now what will be the option? Yes, H2 methyl, okay. 4, 4 पे 2 मिथाइल है, 4, 4 पे 2 मिथाइल है, इसका मतलब 2, 4, 4 ट्राइमिथाइल हो गया. और pent2ene, this is pentene, 1, 2, yes, it is pent2ene. So option D is the right answer. Virat Kohli, it is not B. Radhika Shinde, it is not B, na? It is D, na? ये D आएगा ना रे, ये D आएगा. देखो जरा ये स्ट्रक्चर देखो जरा, इसको स्प्लिट करके देखो जरा. इसको जरा स्प्लिट करके देखो. यस, आंसर बराबर ना. अभी ऑप्शन डी आएगा ना. ये देखो यहां पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 CH3 C CH3, यहाँ पे CH3, राइट. मैं स्प्लिट किया ये स्ट्रक्चर को, CH डबल बॉन्ड आ गया, अभी C आ गया, यहाँ पे CH3 आ गया, यहाँ पे CH3 आ गया. इट इज एल्कीन. अभी देखो you have to select the longest continuous chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, इसके ज्यादा तो नहीं होगा. So it is a pentene. अभी क्या है, डबल बॉन्ड किधर फिक्स करना है? The double bond get the lowest number, right? The lowest number you have to give the double bond. अभी लेफ्ट से किया तो 1, 2, 3 आएगा, राइट से किया तो 1, 2 आएगा, तो ये करेक्ट नंबरिंग आएगा ना. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the correct numbering. Now the substituents. 4, 4 dimethyl. See, 4, 4 dimethyl. 2 methyl. 2 methyl. मतलब ये तीनों जोड़ेगा तो क्या होगा? 2, 4, 4 trimethyl pent2ene. Pent2ene. Option D. Yes. So move on to the next question. That is question number 20. We had 25 questions from this part. So question number 20. Question number 20 is like this. It's a simple one again. The IUPAC name of this. IUPAC name of this particular structure. See, in CET, such questions are being asked very much. A 3-methyl cyclohexene. B 1-methyl cyclohexene, and C 6-methyl cyclohexene, ठीक है, and 1-methyl cyclohex 5E. It will be a simplest one, I guess. Yes, fast. Question number 20. Yes, fast. Question number 20. Quick. Question number 20, quick. Sorry. Yes, Radhika Shinde, option D. Option D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, A, B, C, D. 1-methyl cyclohex 5-ene. Radhika Shinde, this is question number 20. Are you answering for this or something else? Radhika Shinde, option D. Okay, again, option D you said. Option D for 20? Acha. What is that? Option D, 1-methyl. 1-methyl cyclohex 5-ene. अरे यार तू क्या कर रहे भाई? इसमें आपको क्या मतलब, दिस इज साइक्लिक एल्कीन ना विद अ सब्स्टिट्यूटेड मिथाइल, तो आपको किसको प्रेफर करेंगे? डबल बॉन्ड को प्रेफरेंस देना पड़ेगा ना आपको, तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज डबल बॉन्ड ना, तो आप किसको प्रेफर देंगे? डबल बॉन्ड को। तो डबल बॉन्ड का कैसा प्रेफर देगा? द डबल बॉन्ड शुड गेट consecutive numbers ना, then I should start from 1 2 3, isn't it? यहां से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा मुझे। अगर आप 1 2 मतलब 1 इधर आ गया, अभी इसका 2 सेकेंड नंबर आ गया, दैट इज नॉट द करेक्ट नंबरिंग बिकॉज दिस डबल बॉन्ड गेट्स अ सेकेंड नंबर ओनली, और यहां पे करेगा 1 2, दैट इज आई सेड 1 2 शुड बी कॉन्सिक्यूटिव। 1 एक बार चालू किया तो नेक्स्ट शुड बी 2 हियर, 1 इधर चालू किया तो 2 इधर नहीं दे सकते आप। 1 2 should be enclosed for this double bond. So 1 2 3 will be the methyl carbon, right? So what is the correct answer? Now fast. विराट कोहली आंसर दे दो। राफिया सुरवे सी 6 methyl। अरे यार क्या 6 methyl बोल रहे यार? ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 यहां से क्यों स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं आप? 1 2 3 4 5 6 इसका तो 6 नंबर देगा ना, तो दैट इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग। यू शुड गिव द मैक्सिमम लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल ना। Yes, now it comes. It is option A. Yes, option A is the correct answer. 3-methyl. This is 3-methyl cyclohexene. Sorry, 3-methyl cyclohexene. 3-methyl cyclohex. 1 second. What is that? 1-methyl cyclohex 2-ene. 1-methyl 64. It is 3-methyl cyclohexene. It is 3-methyl cyclohexene only, right? Cyclohexene. Because 1 देने का जरूरत नहीं है, because when we say 1, when we have 1 now, what is this? cyclohexene 1 देने का जरूरत नहीं है, because whenever I say 3, automatically the double bond will be at starting from 1. That is 1, 2, 3. That is why we cannot say now, we are not saying 3-methyl cyclohexene 1 or 1 cyclohexene. There is no need for that. 3-methyl cyclohexene is just enough. अगर आप 1 cyclohexene भी इधर options में आएगा, that is also correct. Because 3 position will come with respect to 1, na? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 we have just fixed. That's why 3-methyl cyclohexene is also correct. So it is option A. That is question number 20. Now we will move on to the question number 21. Question number 21. Question number 21. Okay? Let us see what's the question number 21 says. It's an interesting question, huh? Everyone should be able to answer this question. Orbital interaction between. This is actually a definition for one term. Orbital interaction between the sigma bond of a substituent group of a substituent group and the neighboring pi orbital pi orbital. Okay. Pi orbital is known as this is actually a definition what you have learned. Option A, steric effect. Option B, hyperconjugation. Option C, inductive effect. And option D, dipole interaction. Dipole interaction. Yes, this is exactly one phenomenon which we have discussed in our carbocation stability and all. But this is the the verbal or when we write the definition for this, we just go by this way. So what is it? Tejas Kadlek says it is A. Rafia Survey says it is A. It is simple. What is the answer? It is simple. That is true. Give me the answer, na? Who is that simple one? Who is the simple guy? Simple guy never says answer. What is that here? Come on. Tejas Kadlek says it is C. A, B, C. Inductive effect. Okay. Steric effect, hyperconjugation, dipole interaction. Fast. Sir, always in chat. Always in chat. What? Your answer, what is that needed here? Come on. Rafia Survey C. Rafia Survey say it is C. What Rafia? क्या कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं आप? हाँ? ये तो हम लोग तो बहुत डिस्कस किया है. Orbital interaction between sigma and pi. Yes, I am giving a few seconds more. It is just like the alpha CH bond. In a way, the alpha CH bond which is in interaction with a nearby C plus carbon. That is actually this. The question कुछ अलग टाइप का ही उन लोग पूछा गया है, मतलब the statement they have given in a different way. Yes, now it is clear. Yeah, that's right. Yes, hyperconjugation. Exactly. This is hyperconjugation. है कि नहीं? CH3, CH2 positive. Right? This is the sigma. Which was sigma? This part is sigma. This part is sigma, isn't it? This is alpha. So alpha CH, that is sigma, interacts with what? Pi orbital. Yes. Pi orbital set which can form pi bond actually. That is the meaning here, okay? You can, if at all it is a p z orbital, that is also fine. Pi orbital, इसका मतलब ऐसा है कि that is another term. That means when this comes here, then it forms a bond. मतलब ऐसा. Then that is a pi electron. वो हिसाब से they are just put it as pi orbital. That is a molecular orbital के हिसाब से उन लोग pi orbital डाला है. ठीक है? So it is nothing but what? Hyper conjugation. ठीक है? Yeah, हाँ. Rafia, now it is clear. It's hyper conjugation. Okay? Now we will move on to the question number 22. Okay? We'll move on to question number 22. Yes, let's see what's happening there in question number 22. We'll be able to do it. Question number 22. What is that? Yes. The names of some compounds are given, which is not in IUPAC name. Okay. Name of some compounds. Some compounds are given. Names of some compounds are given. ठीक है? Given. As per IUPAC. But A का कुछ अलग ही दिया है. That is, which is not in accordance with IUPAC. ठीक है? एक स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा है कि उसका IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर कुछ अलग दिया है. तो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द ऑप्शंस. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. यहाँ पे आएगा CH, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. This is one option. And इसका नाम तो चाहिए ना बस. इसका नाम क्या है दिया है हम लोग? 5-methyl 4-ethyl heptane. 4-ethyl heptane. That is the name given. And option B, they are given this particular structure CH, OH, CH, CH3, CH3. इसका नाम क्या दिया है? 3-methyl 2-butanol. 2-butanol. ठीक है? और दो चाहिए और एक का मैं इधर लिखता हूं C. CH3, CH2, C, double bond CH2, CH, CH3, 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 CH3. इसका नाम क्या दिया मालूम है? 2-ethyl 3-methyl but1A. but1A. ठीक है? And the last one I will write here CH3, C, triple bond C, C, CH3 two times. CH3 two times. इसका नाम क्या दिया है? 4-methyl 2-pentyne. That is, it is a triple bond. 2-pentyne. So these are the options, right? इसमें एक जो है, एक ऑप्शन कुछ गलत नाम पे उन लोग रिप्रेजेंट किया है. सो आपको वो पिकअप करना है. Which is not in accordance with IUPAC. 3 तो सही रहेगा और एक बराबर नहीं. ठीक है? तो वो क्या रहेगा? अब देखो जरा. You just apply your nomenclature knowledge. Everyone can do it. It's not so very difficult. Fast. Yes, yes, Rafia. Nobody is responding. Tejas Kadlak, what's happening? Question number 22. Give me the answer. For question number 22, what is the answer? Rafia, are you online? Rafia, are you online? There is thinking. Ah, good, good, good. Think. That's great. Think. Yes, think and answer. Good, good, good. स्ट्रक्चर लिखो पहला और उसके बाद में द पैरेंट चेन जो फिक्स कर लो, दैट इज ऑल्सो सिंपल. उसके बाद जो सब्स्टिट्यूट जो भी है उसका पोजीशन और उसका क्या उसका भी नॉमेनक्लेचर, वो जो सब्स्टिट्यूट का नॉमेनक्लेचर वो भी देख लो, देन आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. तेजस कर ले इट इज डी ABCD, which is not matching with that. 4-methyl to pentine. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 D होगा क्या? D होने का पॉसिबिलिटी कम लग रहा है मुझे. D होने का पॉसिबिलिटी कम लग रहा है मुझे. विराट कोहली किधर गया? श्रेया निचल बी किधर है? श्रेया निचल, श्रेया, रफिया सुरवे, विराट कोहली ये. अरे वाह, विराट कोहली ये बोल रहा है क्या? किधर है, किधर तुम? विराट कोहली बोल रहे ये, तेजस कटलक अभी बोल रहे ये. अच्छा, राफिया सुरवे और बोल रहे ये. ओके, good, the answer is A only. Yeah, the answer is A only. ये देखो ना, सिंपल है. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, तो कौन सा साइड से भी आप लोग नॉमेनक्लेचर कर सकते हैं ना, बिकॉज इट इज एट द 4th पोजीशन ओनली. 4 लेफ्ट और राइट इट इज 4. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. अभी देखो 5 मिथाइल है, 4 इथाइल है, हो ही नहीं सकते. ये 4, this will be 4 methyl, 4 ethyl आना चाहिए. एग्जैक्ट रहेगा तो 4 ethyl और 4 methyl लेना चाहिए. सिर्फ ये जो पार्ट में थोड़ा मिसिंग पार्ट है ना, अदरवाइज इट इज करेक्ट है कि नहीं? ये ऑप्शन सिंस मिथाइल 5 इज रॉन्ग. एग्जैक्टली, यस, राधिका शिंदे, यू आर एग्जैक्टली राइट. यहाँ पे 5 पे नहीं है, 4 पे है. कौन सा? अपना मिथाइल ग्रुप ना. या यस राइट. तो इधर चेंज किया रहेगा, देन वी विल गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. सो द ऑप्शन इज ए, राइट. गुड. नाउ वी कैन गो फॉर 23. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. आप थोड़ा सोच लो, ऐसे सोचेगा तो किधर आंसर क्या नहीं मिलेगा आपको? सब कुछ मिलेगा यार. हाँ, you can get into CET with a good score. The only thing is that you just have to think, you have to study sincerely. That's all. And CET is not a very tough exam, as you know. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है ना. Now the question number 23. Again, it is regarding the stability of carbocation. Okay, the most stable carbocation, most stable C प्लस का मतलब कार्बोकैटायन. ठीक है. ऑप्शन ए CH3 प्लस, ऑप्शन बी CH3 CH2 पॉजिटिव, ऑप्शन सी आइसोप्रोपाइल दैट इज CH पॉजिटिव CH3. ठीक है ना. एंड ऑप्शन डी जो है CH3 C पॉजिटिव CH3. इसका आंसर फटाफट आना चाहिए. It should not take more than 30 seconds. Fast, everyone should give the answer within 30 seconds. Most stable C plus. इससे पहले भी अच्छा, विराट कोहली तो बहुत खेल रहे यार. तू तो कोहली है, विराट कोहली। सिंपल सिंपल वाला डी, अच्छा सिंपल डी, अच्छा ठीक है, वेरी गुड। एंड व्हाट अबाउट शिंदे? तेजस Kadlak, डी डी डी, यस राइट, द आंसर इज डी ना, बिकॉज इट इज अ tertiary butyl carbocation which can be stabilized by plus I effect. More than that, it is stabilized by hyperconjugation, hyperconjugation। और इसमें एक बताना चाहता हूँ कि इसमें 9 hyperconjugated स्ट्रक्चर लेगा, क्योंकि 3 + 3 + 3, therefore the number of hyperconjugated structures are maximum here। यहाँ पे कितना आएगा देखो, 6 आएगा, यहाँ पे कितना आएगा, 3 आएगा, यहाँ पे 0 आएगा, है कि नहीं? सो द नंबर ऑफ hyperconjugate structure, the number of hyperconjugate structure ज्यादा रहेगा, then the stability is also higher। प्लस इफेक्ट अभी देखिए तो सेकेंडरी इंपॉर्टेंस आएगा। अभी देखो 3 ग्रुप्स है मिथाइल का, तो 3 प्लस इफेक्ट तो भी उसका स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ता है। यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे सिंपल एक 1 है, यहाँ पे 0 है। सो द मैक्सिमम स्टेबल इज दिस वन। तो इसका ऑर्डर भी पूछ सकता है, तो आप इसका ऑर्डर भी लिख सकते हैं आराम से, है कि नहीं? यस। नाउ फ्रॉम दिस सेक्शन वी जस्ट हैव टू 24 ना, या 24th क्वेश्चन। जस्ट सी हाउ वी कैन solve this 24th. What is the 24th question? Number 24. Question number 24 is, yes, here it is. The IUPAC name of the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name of the structure is given bond line पे। मैं इसलिए बोला कि बॉन्ड लाइन आपको करना ही है, जिसका भी कौन सा भी कुछ स्ट्रक्चर लिखा है ना, यू गो फॉर बॉन्ड लाइन। बॉन्ड लाइन का भी आपको आना चाहिए। तो कैसा क्वेश्चन में आएगा तो बता नहीं सकते हम लोग, है कि नहीं? दिस इज द मॉलिक्यूल, राइट? दिस इज द मॉलिक्यूल, और इसका आयुपैक नाम आपको लिखना है। इसमें क्या दिया है, 1 क्लोरो 1 ऑक्सो 2,3 डाइमीथाइल पेंटेन। एक तो ये है, और सेकेंड वाला है 2 इथाइल 3 मीथाइल, ठीक है, ब्यूटानॉइल क्लोराइड। बिकॉज ये एसिड क्लोराइड है, आपको देखो COCl मतलब एसिड क्लोराइड है ना, इसलिए ब्यूटानॉइल क्लोराइड आ गया। सी आएगा ऑप्शन 2,3 डाइमीथाइल, 2,3 डाइमीथाइल पेंटानॉइल क्लोराइड। इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि बार बार आपका जो प्रायोरिटी टेबल जो है आपका 11th स्टैंडर्ड का प्रायोरिटी टेबल ऑफ द फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स, वो कैसा भी आप करके रट्टा मारो, जो भी है वो आपको बराबर आना चाहिए। पेंटानॉइल क्लोराइड, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वो उसके आधार पर क्वेश्चन सब पूछा जाता है, सो डोंट स्किप दैट एट एनी कॉस्ट। डाइमीथाइल पेंटानॉइल क्लोराइड, ठीक है, पेंटानॉइल क्लोराइड। ओके, तो ये जो स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है, तो आपको क्या करना है कि इसका क्या करना चाहिए कि मिथाइल 3 मिथाइल 2 3 डाइमिथाइल। अच्छा ठीक है, अभी यस आंसर, आई वांट द आंसर फ्रॉम यू गाइस। A B C D। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24। विराट तो बहुत मारे यार, 6 मारे हो। ये कौन है आदमी? विराट कोहली। 1 क्लोरो 1 ऑक्सो 2 3 डाइमिथाइल पेंटेन। देखो भाई, इसमें देखो कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है। एसिड फंक्शनल ग्रुप के बाद में आते हैं ये वाला, पहले तो एसिड आएगा, है कि नहीं? तो एसिड क्लोराइड आएगा ना, इट इज COCl। तो COCl रहेगा तो क्या, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस एज पर IUPAC नेम? अल्कनॉइल क्लोराइड, राइट? ओइल क्लोराइड, ओइक एसिड का क्लोराइड है, अल्कनॉइल क्लोराइड, बराबर। सो व्हाट इज ऑप्शन इसमें? अल्कनॉइल क्लोराइड का हिसाब से जो भी नॉमेनक्लेचर आते हैं उसका ही आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा। रफिया सुबह ए पेंडेंट नहीं आएगा बॉस, इट इज COCl। यू कैनॉट सेपरेट दिस, क्लोरो और ऑक्सो को सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते, ये तो सेपरेट करके नहीं सकते बिकॉज दैट इज एसिड क्लोराइड है COCl। देखो दिस ग्रुप इज देयर, ये सेपरेट नहीं है, दिस इज एसिड क्लोराइड, एसिड क्लोराइड है ये, इसलिए हम लोग IUPAC में अल्कनॉइल क्लोराइड बोलते हैं, है कि नहीं? अल्कनॉइल क्लोराइड दैट इज ऑयल क्लोराइड, ऑयल क्लोराइड, है कि नहीं? ऑयल क्लोराइड पे आ जाएगा। तो इसमें कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा अभी, जल्दी बोलो अभी, यस फास्ट। कटला किधर गया? ऑप्शन ए, सब जन ऑप्शन ए ही बोल रहे यार। ऑप्शन ए कैसा? ऑप्शन सी, हु इज दैट? ऑप्शन सी वाला राफिया सुरवे, सी है करके उसमें कुछ डाउट डाला है, वो डाउट का निकाल दो, पूरा डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए। ऑप्शन सी राइट है, एस तेजस कटलेट, इट इज ऑप्शन सी, है ना? अभी देखो पेंटेनॉइल क्लोराइड, यू शुड, दिस इज अ कार्बन देयर ना, अभी ऐसा रहेगा तो इसका मतलब क्या है, इधर से कार्बन हियर, बराबर। सो दिस विल बी कार्बन नंबर 1, कार्बन नंबर 2, 3, 4 एंड 5, दैट इज बेसिक चेन में कौन सा आया? पेंटेनॉइल। सो पेंटेनॉइल क्लोराइड तो आ गया, यस पेंटेनॉइल क्लोराइड तो इधर तो आ गया। अभी सब्स्टिट्यूट देखो 1 2 पे एक मिथाइल है, 3 पे एक मिथाइल है, तो 2 3 डाई मिथाइल है। सो ऑप्शन क्या है? ऑप्शन सी। एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट, ठीक है, द लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट 25, the structure of isobutyl group in an organic compound, is, तो मतलब नीचे अपना क्या दिया है कि ऑप्शंस दिया गया है, आपको क्या करना चाहिए कि उसमें एक अल्काइल ग्रुप सेलेक्ट करना है। मतलब अल्काइल ग्रुप इधर क्या है, सेट ब्यूटाइल हो सकता है, आइसोप्रोपाइल हो सकता है कि नहीं, नियोपेंटाइल हो सकता है। ए बी में क्या स्ट्रक्चर दिया है, CH3 CH2 डैश मतलब क्या है कि इट्स अ ब्यूटाइल, रिमूवल ऑफ वन हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम ए हाइड्रोकार्बन, देन यू विल गेट व्हाट, करस्पॉन्डिंग ग्रुप, राइट? अल्काइल ग्रुप है कि नहीं इन जनरल। सी वाला कौन सा है? CH3, सर इसका लास्ट में ये निकल गया थोड़ा ये करके दो समथिंग वेरी चेस्ट समवेयर ओके थैंक यू और ऑप्शन सी वाला जो भी है ये देखो ऑप्शन सी इज दिस CH3 C CH3 C CH3 डैश है ना और ऑप्शन डी इज CH3 CH CH3 CH2 डैश क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है देखो द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आइसोब्यूटाइल ग्रुप इसमें आइसोब्यूटाइल चाहिए मतलब ब्यूटाइल का मतलब क्या है 4 कार्बन ना तो इसमें 4 कार्बन का जो भी सेटअप रहेगा उसमें अपने को आइसोब्यूटाइल का स्ट्रक्चर कौन सा है वही पूछा गया है अब ये भी 4 है 1 2 3 4 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 so which is the isobutyl yes fast 25 question last one here yes fast everyone should be able to answer this question isobutyl isobutyl who comes first isobutyl सिंपल है कुछ नहीं क्या कौन सा सिंपल है सिंपल है तो ये बोलते हैं कुछ भी बोलते हैं यार वो ये नहीं होते हैं बाबा ये इज सेकेंडरी सेक ब्यूटाइल है ये इज सेक ब्यूटाइल ये कौन सा है दिस इज एन ब्यूटाइल नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल है कि नहीं बिकॉज इट स्टार्ट एट द एंड अभी 2 ऑप्शन बचा है इसमें से बोलो मुझे कौन सा आंसर है आइसोब्यूटाइल चाहिए देखो आइसोब्यूटाइल चाहिए आइसोब्यूटाइल में क्या होता आइसोब्यूटाइल फास्ट गुड लक कहां पे Rafia Survey has come lastly with D. Tejas Kadlak, it is C, not right. Tejas, this is tertiary butyl है टेट्राब्यूटाइल है टेट्राब्यूटाइल टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल ना सो हाउ कम इट इज सी विराट किधर गया विराट कोहली गया जल्दी फास्ट आंसर इट या विराट कोहली डी यस डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर आइसोब्यूटाइल आइसो ग्रुप कौन सा आते हैं देखो CH3 CH CH3 ये रहेगा तो आइसोब्यूटाइल हो जाता है हम लोग आइसो दिस ग्रुप इज आइसो दिस सिंपलेस्ट आइसो राइट आइसोप्रोपाइल क्लोराइड बोलते हैं ना आइसोप्रोपाइल क्लोराइड का मतलब क्या है इधर क्लोरीन आइसोप्रोपाइल क्लोराइड इसका ग्रुप पूछा ना तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे दिस इज आइसोप्रोपाइल बट ब्यूटाइल रहेगा तो क्या होता है यू जस्ट हैव टू पुट वन मोर CH2 देन इट इज आइसो ब्यूटाइल का मतलब क्या है 4 कार्बन आइसो है 4th कार्बन भी इधर है इधर डैश किया देन दिस बिकम्स व्हाट आइसोब्यूटाइल दिस बिकम्स आइसोब्यूटाइल ये जो है ना सीईटी में दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज बीन आस्क्ड मेनी टाइम्स तो इसका जो कॉमन नेम्स वगैरह जो भी है ना दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड ओके so we have just crossed like 25 questions encompassing like more or less the concepts and all so I just come back be there 2 minutes Hi students. For the time being, we'll just keep a pause here for the day. Okay. So we'll continue most probably tomorrow. All right. If not, next day. All right. Thank you so much and thanks for your cooperation. You are all doing wonderful. एक बात बोलने का मुझे कि आप you focus on your studies. At least for CET, इतना कुछ difficult वाला नहीं है. At least chemistry is concerned, and I think even other subjects also. तो हिसाब से आप ज़्यादातर practice करते जाएगा ना, you can achieve your what? Your dream. Okay? All the best. We'll see you next time soon. Done? Bye-bye.
वो लाइफ चल रहा था।